पण जाचना म्हणलो ना सनबर्न 31 तारखेर जाचना म्हणला सो दॅट इज वॉट वी आर वेटिंग टू सी लास्ट मिनिट परमिशन दिला वा दिल ना जाल्यार चेक करूया एक पाटी सीएमान स्टेटमेंट दिला पब्लिकली अलाउड कोशना followed by statement of the Honorable Tourism Minister. I think let us try to believe that there is some truth. If they go back on their word, then let us come to make the statement after that. But right now, too premature for me to anticipate, and we will hope that they stick to their word. Number one. About it, Comunidad can directly ask police protection, remove them out from the ground, stop the works from going on, and call it a trespass. Goya. Complaint na amkode. Why should there be a complaint? कोण complaint करपाक मागीर सगळे ते वयतले तेका मारपाकू ते भितात मागीर लोक complaint करपाक. So I believe that you should suo moto carry out inspections. You should suo moto verify whether this is going on or not. Do you mean to say they don't know? I ask a question. Do you mean the police don't know that what activity is going on? You mean they can't file report? Does the district magistrate not get report of what things are going on? Everybody knows what is going on in every nook and corner. फकत third party I am going to कोणा हांव गेले जाल्यार म्हाका कांय म्हणनात ते पूण हांवें म्हज्या फ्रेंडान सांगलें येतात तेन्ना टाउट्स आनी पिम्स आहात हें जाय तें जाय म्हाका इंचारतात ते सो आय थिंक दॅट वी नीड टू पुल अप द सॉक्स and make sure that even the officials have to be booked. That's why I said even in Sunburn also officials have to be booked. Then you will know law is being followed, because when they know they will go under the radar, everybody will be very careful. So there are many other things which are there in the field which you know and I don't need to name, which are bringing Goa to be known as a city of sin. And this kind of things are ruining the good name and image of Goa. What do you think? आमगे कितले फॉरेनर येताले आनी चोय आमी 1970s उलोवया 1970s 1980s लोक येताले फॉरेनर येताले आनी नुस्तेकारागे घरा रावताले इतले हॉटेल नाशिल्ले पयले रूम इतले नाशिल्ले पूण घरा रावताले एंड स्टील गोवा वॉज नंबर 1 टुरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन हॉटेल गायले बिजनेस करपाक गेले पयशे करपाक गेले आनी कितें जालें काबार जावपाक जालें सो यू रीच अ पीक टायम वेन इंस्टेड ऑफ एनकॅशिंग ऑन इट we are defeating the very purpose of promoting tourism.